Looking for unique tattoo ideas that truly represent yourself? With AI, you can now create personalized tattoo designs in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll share 3 of the best AI tattoo generators with free solutions. First, let's start with AI Marvels. This method works best if you are using a mobile phone. It is an AI creative app available on both Android and iOS devices. I will put the official access link in the description. Open the app, tap AI Lab, and choose the AI image generation feature. First, upload a blank white image as your reference. Then describe the tattoo design you want in the prompt box. For example, you can ask AI to create a minimalist lion tattoo, a Japanese-style dragon tattoo, or a unique design based on your personality. For the AI model, I recommend using GPT-Image 2 or Nano Banana for better results. Tap Generate, and within seconds, you'll get multiple tattoo concepts. Here are some designs I created just now. What's more, you can also preview how the tattoo would look on your body. Simply tap the plus icon, upload your own photo, add the tattoo design as a reference image, and ask AI to apply the tattoo naturally. And there you have it, a realistic preview of your tattoo before getting it done. The second tool is HitPaw FotorPea. It is an all-in-one AI photo editing software that allows you to generate images, enhance photos up to 8K quality, and more. The official link can be found in the description. To create tattoo designs, open the AI generator and select text to image. On the right side, you can customize your prompt and describe exactly what kind of tattoo you want. Then choose your preferred AI model. Here you can find many popular image models. I recommend trying GPT-Image 2 or Nano Banana for high-quality tattoo concepts. Click Generate, and AI will create unique tattoo designs for you. These are some examples I generated just now. If you want to see how the tattoo looks in real life, you can switch to image. Choose the Nano Banana Pro model, upload your own photo, and add the tattoo design you created. Then simply ask AI to place the tattoo onto your body naturally. And now you can preview your tattoo idea before making the final decision. Google Flow. The third tool is Google Flow. Click on New Project and describe the tattoo design you want in the prompt. You can customize the aspect ratio and choose your preferred image model. For example, select the Image 4 model, then click Submit. In a few moments, Google Flow will generate creative tattoo concepts based on your idea. Similar to the previous tools, you can also upload multiple reference images. Add your own photo and the tattoo design, then ask AI to combine them. And it will give you a realistic preview of how the tattoo could look on your body. That's all for today's video. Hopefully, these AI tattoo generators can give you some creative inspiration and help you discover a design that truly represents you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.